Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best steam cleaner for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best steam cleaner for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When considering a steam cleaner for home or car use, look for models that offer high-temperature sterilization, ensuring effective sanitation and deep cleaning. A steam cleaner that reaches temperatures above 200 degrees Fahrenheit can eliminate bacteria, dust mites, and allergens, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and vehicles. Choose a cleaner with adjustable steam pressure and high temperature for versatile cleaning. Models that can generate steam quickly save time and improve efficiency. A variety of attachments enhances versatility. Look for tools specifically designed for different surfaces, such as upholstery, hard floors, and kitchen hoods. A larger water tank means longer cleaning sessions without frequent refills. However, consider the trade-off with weight and maneuverability. For larger spaces or vehicles, a long power cord or a lightweight design can make cleaning easier. Ensure compatibility with your electrical system. Options include 110V for US plugs and 220V for EU plugs. Investing in a high-temperature steam cleaner is beneficial for maintaining a clean and healthy environment. Look for reputable brands that offer warranties and good customer service. With the right model, you'll enjoy the convenience of powerful cleaning that tackles tough stains and sanitizes surfaces effectively. Thanks for watching the video.